you are all well. So today we are heading out of the Nice kind of area. We went to the coast yesterday, made it to the coast, had dinner there. Wasn't actually the plan, but when you're booking hotels while you're here, it's you know, you can go anywhere. So we went a bit further south than intended. So we had an early start this morning, a bit earlier, about an hour earlier. We're just heading up towards the route Napoleon, which is a nice route to come home, or towards home. If you want to check that out, if you don't want to go back the same way you came. Although if you did go back the same way you came, I can totally understand if you're on the Grand Alps, the route to Grand Alps. Currently quite high at the moment. I'll try and show you the view if I can in a sec. You can see the coastline and all of Nice. Currently in September, and that guy looks like he's doing the Nazi salute. See the mountains over there. We're going around the mountains. Still quite a hilly route, I've heard, but it's mostly sort of, you know, free-flowing roads all the way up to where we're heading back to, and I think we're going sort of towards Troyes, which seems to be a nice little town. I'd like to go to the hippopotamus place again. Apparently it's a chain. Thoroughly recommend if you're a steak fan. So yeah, we've got roads like this for pretty much most of the day, which is not the worst thing in the world, to be honest with you. Nice, hilly, free-flowing roads. We did get lost in Nice. If you're planning on going through Nice, or around the coast at all, to be honest, it is chaos. Absolute chaos. Our lead rider up the front down, when he was waiting for us at a roundabout, he pulled over at a roundabout exactly where, not on the roundabout, but you know, sort of, he was in traffic, and these French, when they drive, they're so impatient, they tried to cut around him, and one of them cut into the other lane and crashed into him, and then someone else then crashed into him from behind, and it was just chaos. He did nothing wrong, other than just sit in traffic and not be impatient, but you know, serves them right, I suppose. So yeah, I would advise avoiding the coast, to be honest with you, if you're planning on coming down here. Stay in the mountains. To be honest, if I was to do this again, we were just saying last night, we'd probably book a hotel smack in the middle and come back to that sort of spot every day, and then we'd have a nice little HQ. We'd have to pack our bags everywhere. It'd be quite, you know, ideal. You cover hundreds of miles in a day as well. But yeah, touring right through down right to the end of the coast is also pretty fun. Maybe we should make 2 trips out of it and try both. But yeah, I've got a lot of footage to go through. I haven't done any editing or even looked at all the footage that I've got so far, but I know I took about 30 minutes worth of footage just yesterday. Look at this. If I wanted to get a nice view down here, it'd be fucking ideal. Warm the old tyres up. We're still going up. Must be a tall old road. Route Napoleon. Yeah, write that down. We are. Hasn't been too bad, to be honest, so far. Touch wood. We have brought a few essentials with us, and I'd advise you do the same. Puncture repair kit, basic tools. They have been required on this trip. Good communication is fucking absolutely absolutely key with a group of you. We screwed up a couple of times, lost each other, but I think for the most part of it we've been pretty good together. It's a very good experience, especially when, you know, I don't know everyone that's on this trip. I've only met them maybe once, and it's been a really nice experience to get to know new people, and they're all really nice. I'm really jealous of one of the guys. We'll say hello to Glenn, who's in front of me. He watches my channel, he's subscribed. He has bought himself an Aprilia 2.0 factory 22 plate. Oh, and I'm jealous of it. Pretty sure he wants to give it to me. Glenn's a nice chap. They do sound good though. When you've got, I mean, just in front of me there is a 2.0 factory. It's got an aqua can on it. In front of that is a Super Duke with a stumpy little can on it. It does have a cat, so it's not horrendous, but it's loud. And then in front of that is an MT10, and well, we know they're loud as well. As soon as I turn the camera off, the roads get nice again. Straight into what seems to be mountainous range. Wasn't actually expecting this type of road, but I won't complain. Bit damp this side. So nice and flowing, the French roads. I don't know where in the world this is similar to this. Maybe Italy, France, like I said before, but oh, very nice. I haven't got much on the French food, I'll be honest, since I've been over here. It's quite difficult when you're on the go and you've got to be places, and we mainly just stop wherever we found. Most of the time that's been pretty good. I will suggest though, if you are coming and doing a France tour, don't leave it much later than September, because most of the places and restaurants in September sort of close towards the end of September, and some of them didn't. I have noticed that some of them didn't have many options on the menu, and it's because they stopped ordering all that stuff in, so they've run out. So yeah, if you're going to go to a tour, maybe August / early September would be the best. We went to a restaurant yesterday, pizza. Well, I think it was called Pizza It, and we asked for a menu, and he said, "Are you crazy?" Yes, sir. Crazy. Sick. It's knee downs for days. I don't know if this is recording or not. I hope it is. What a bit of road. You join me on the motorway. We are munching some miles to get up to the sort of mid-France. Had a nice few hours on the Napoleon this morning. It's now 1 o'clock, so we want some lunch and get some lunch. So we're only going to spend about an hour on the motorway just to get up to that. But check out the view of this motorway. Not many motorways that are this good, is there? Mountains and fruit everywhere. Either side of the road, people growing fruit. It's just with fruit. I don't know how you say fruit in French. Apologies. I am grateful for cruise control, I've got to say. On a long trip like this, your wrist is going to kill from a sports bike. But yeah, all is well, touch wood. I shall catch you when we're back on the Napoleon. He downs for dough.